How to claim a cashback offer in 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account using your username and password. Next, go to the menu tab and tap the order section at the top right. Then select promo from the options, where you will find all available offers including cashback deals. After that, select the cashback offer you want to claim and read the terms and conditions carefully to understand the requirements. Then, make sure you have placed the qualifying bets or transactions specified in the offer within the given time frame. Once you meet the conditions, the cashback amount will be credited automatically to your account balance. Keep in mind that some cashback offers might require you to activate them before placing bets, so always check if you need to click an activate button. And that's it. Now you know how to claim a cashback offer in 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.